Welcome to Tools Central, your go-to channel for smart tool reviews, DIY tips, and gear that actually gets the job done. If you've ever wrestled with a corded drill that barely reaches the outlet or felt stuck mid-project because your tool couldn't keep up, you're not alone. That's exactly why today's video is a must-watch. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best cordless drills for home use. And not just any drills. These are compact, powerful, and built for real-world tasks like furniture assembly, wall mounting, and weekend renovations. Stick around as we count down from number 5 to the ultimate number 1 pick. I'll break down the key specs, share my experience with each drill, and help you figure out which one fits your needs best. Whether you're a first-time DIYer or a seasoned home improver, this list has something for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a review, and check the links in the description for the best deals on every drill we cover. And drop a comment below to let me know which one you'd pick or already use. At number 5, the BOSCH Compact Brushless Drill Driver Kit features a brushless motor for longer life and better efficiency. A compact design at just 6.3 inches long and weighs only 2 pounds. It includes a 20+1 clutch setting for precise torque control, a 3 or 8-inch keyless chuck, and an LED light for working in dark spaces. What I love most about this BOSCH drill is how lightweight and balanced it feels in hand. It's perfect for overhead work or tight corners. It's ideal for homeowners who need a reliable tool for light-duty tasks. While it's not the most powerful on this list, its portability and precision make it a worthy addition to any toolbox. Coming in at number 4, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill Kit includes a 20V Lithium-Ion battery for solid runtime, a maximum rotational speed of 600 RPM, and an 11-position clutch to prevent stripping screws. It also features an integrated LED light and a built-in driver, bit holder for convenience. Personally, I appreciate how beginner-friendly this drill is. It's intuitive, simple to use, and great for quick fixes around the house. It's best suited for casual DIYers or first-time drill users. Its chuck size is limited to 10mm, which may restrict some bit options, but for basic home use, it's more than enough. At number 3, the Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Driver Drill Kit delivers high torque and speed with a brushless motor that optimizes battery life. It includes a variable speed trigger, ergonomic grip, and a durable build that's designed for long-term use. What I love about the Makita is its power-to-weight ratio. It feels solid without being heavy and handles tougher materials with ease. It's perfect for serious DIYers or semi-pro users who want performance without bulk. The only downside is the price, but the quality justifies every penny. Number 2 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill Driver Kit, which offers a 2-speed gearbox, 20V lithium-ion battery, and a 1/2-inch keyless chuck. It also includes an LED work light and ergonomic design for comfort during extended use. I'm impressed by how versatile this drill is. It transitions smoothly from drilling into wood to driving screws into drywall. It's best for homeowners who want one drill to do it all. While it's slightly heavier than others, the performance makes up for it. And finally, number 1, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. This powerhouse features a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out, UWO, a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck for superior bit retention, and a compact, lightweight design. It also includes a 20V lithium-ion battery and an ergonomic handle for comfort. What I love most is its sheer reliability. Whether I'm building shelves or fixing a fence, it never lets me down. It's perfect for anyone who wants professional-grade performance at home. The only shortcoming is the price tag, but trust me, it's worth every cent. And there you have it, 5 cordless drills that truly stand out for home use. Whether you're hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or tackling weekend renovations, these tools deliver the freedom, power, and precision you need without the hassle of cords. Each one has its strengths, and while none are perfect, they all offer incredible value for their price and performance. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a gear breakdown or DIY tip. Check the links in the description to grab the best deals on these drills while they last. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which drill you're leaning toward or already using. Your feedback helps the whole community make smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.